Today's topic is when the doctor doesn't have the answer. It's Story Saturday on the Daily Spoonful. I'm Dr. Rose, the Primal Professor. Today's story is not about one person, it's about all of us. The moment we realize the answer might not be in the doctor's office. Maybe your labs are normal, but you don't feel well. Maybe you've been told eat less, move more, but nothing's working. Maybe you've been offered more meds instead of more insight. At some point, many of us ask, what if the system is wrong about food? And then we stumble across story after story. People reversing diabetes, losing weight, coming off meds, healing inflammation, all by doing the opposite of what they've been told. That's not rebellion, that's hope with evidence. So here's today's nugget. Thousands of people healing the same way is no longer anecdotal. It's a pattern. You don't need to find a doctor, you just need to advocate for yourself. Trying something different takes courage, but suffering in silence takes more. When you start listening to your body instead of outdated guidelines, you take back your power. So today's reflection. If you tried everything they told you and you're still stuck, maybe it's time to try something they didn't. Healing doesn't always come with a prescription. Sometimes it starts with a story. I'll see you tomorrow for the next Daily Spoonful.